Big news for overseas citizens of India. The government has just tightened the rules for OCI card holders. If you or someone you know holds an OCI card, these changes could directly affect you. In today's video, we'll break down exactly what's changed, why it matters, and what the law says in simple terms. First, a quick refresher. The Overseas Citizen of India, or OCI, scheme was introduced in 2005. It allows foreign nationals of Indian origin to visit and stay in India without a visa. Basically, it's a lifelong visa. You can get it if you were a citizen of India on or after 26 January 1950. But it's not available if you have ever been a citizen of Pakistan or Bangladesh, or if you are the child, grandchild, or great-grandchild of such a person. Now let's talk about the changes. The Ministry of Home Affairs has amended Section 7D of the Citizenship Act, 1955. Here's what's new. New grounds for cancellation. Your OCI registration can now be cancelled if, first, you've been sentenced to 2 years or more in prison. Second, you've been charge sheeted for an offense that carries a punishment of 7 years or more in prison. Third, no time limit anymore. Earlier, this rule about 2 years imprisonment only applied within 5 years of getting your OCI card. Now, that time limit is gone, meaning it can be applied at any point after you get the card. Fourth, applies anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter if the conviction or charges happen in India or abroad. As long as the offense is recognized under Indian law, the rule applies. Fifth, new charge sheet clause. For the first time, just being charge sheeted for a serious offense, 7 years or more punishment, is enough for your OCI to be cancelled. You don't have to be convicted yet. These new rules come in addition to the older grounds for cancellation, which include if you got your OCI through fraud, false documents, or hiding facts. If you've shown disaffection towards the Indian Constitution. If during a war, you've traded or communicated with an enemy or helped them in any way. If it's necessary in the interest of India's sovereignty, integrity, security, friendly foreign relations, or public interest. So now, the list of reasons for cancellation is broader and stricter. This notification was issued by the Women's Safety Division of the Home Ministry. While the government hasn't officially said so, this suggests that one aim could be to target people of Indian origin who are wanted for crimes, including those against women, and ensure they cannot use OCI status as a shield. In short, if you're an OCI cardholder, your legal record matters more than ever. A conviction of 2 years or more, or even serious charges that could lead to 7 years or more in prison, can now cost you your OCI for life. And remember, this applies whether the offense happened in India or anywhere else in the world, as long as Indian law recognizes it. This is a major tightening of the law, and it's important for OCI holders to be aware of the risks. That's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more India law and policy breakdowns. See you in the next one.